How to add video to Wix website. So first you just have to go to any web browser and then type Wix. And if you don't have an account yet, you have to sign up. If you have, then all you have to do is to click login. And actually you have ways on how to sign up. Everything is up to you through Facebook to Google and other ways. So here what you want to do is to go to this plus icon here and then tap search. Now go to the search bar and then kindly type video and you will see options below. So let me tap the single video players here, but everything is up to you. So if you go to the left side, you will see here samples of single video players, and all you have to do is to select any of this. So pick the one that suits your template, that suits your store or your website. So there are tons of videos here, and all you have to do is to pick or select. Now, let's say I want to use this one, so all I have to do is to tap and resize or adjust the video here. And once you're okay with this, then you can also edit this by tapping this gear icon and other features and options here. You can also add your YouTube channel if you want to. So all you have to do is to paste that URL here. And aside from that, if you want to add a separated video, all you have to do is just simply go again to video and then tap this single video player and then choose from any of the samples here. You can add animation or add effects to your video. Everything is up to you. You can also change the image if you wanted to. So you can add more videos. All you have to do is to go to the video and choose from any of the options here. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.